Sebastian's toy box, and we're gonna be opening Skylanders. So we got Bad Juju and Wolfgang. So let's start unboxing them.
Bad Juju.
Start unboxing them.
Wolfgang.
So let's open them. Open them. Oh, there's a little like swish. There.
5 hours later.
Ah.
So who we opening up first?
Bad Juju.
Bad Juju. Sebastian stinks at opening up boxes. He usually just rips them open. So Dad is gonna help him out.
I just say Juju on the beat like Bad Juju.
Sebastian thinks he's named Bad Juju. Why?
Because it's like Juju on that beat. So let's open it.
There you go.
Boom. Yay. Wow. So strong. So much power. Oh, there. So here he is out of the box. Looks really cool. Yeah! Woohoo! Ow!
That's your first Skylander toy you got?
Yeah, ever.
Because you just started getting into Skylander, right?
Yeah, and by Skylanders Imaginators.
And on here it says there are 30 plus Skylanders to collect.
There's more Skylanders than 30.
No, but from this, 30 plus, it says Skylanders Imaginators.
Oh, yeah, I have that app. You should get it. It's really cool.
Want to open up this one?
Yeah. I like him. Right? It's cool. He's a genie. We were going to get another one, not this one. I think he was something, a little crack. That's okay.
Hello! It is me! Juju on that beat. Juju on that beat. Juju on that beat.
Boom. Now, let's open this side.
5 hours later.
I'm opening it. See? Stop it. Stop. Oh, yes.
Oh, there we go. All right, let's see. And here he is. What is his name? Wolfgang what?
Wolfgang. Out of the box. Look at this arrow. Feel him.
Ow!
But yeah!
So what does he have? He has like
a bow and arrow.
A bone, an axe, arrow, and the arrow looks like it's another bone with a spear on it.
That's pretty cool.
It's bad. It's a
He's
bad guy.
He's a good guy.
He's a good guy? Well, he looks like a bad guy.
This guy looks like...
What about Juju on that beat?
He looks like a bad guy.
He's a bad guy?
Yeah.
Alright, so that's us opening the
Skylanders
Imaginators. And over here they have 3 steps. What are these 3 steps for?
Oh,
1, 2, 3. Oh, to put them in a game? You could use them in a game?
For PlayStation. But we don't have PlayStation.
So I guess you could use them in a game too, but we don't have it. Oh yeah, look, bring your toys to life. 1, 2, so you sit it on that thing. See that there?
Hey, that's my box. I want to go my box. Bye guys. I hope you get a comment below on this video and subscribe and view us. Bye. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.